Welcome back to Rider Pro, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated comebacks in the superbike world, the 2026 Honda CBR 900RR. Known as the original Fireblade, the CBR 900RR made history in the 1990s by redefining sport bike performance. Now, Honda is bringing it back with cutting-edge technology and a fresh new look. Design and styling, retro meets future. The 2026 Honda CBR 900RR takes heavy inspiration from its iconic predecessor while embracing modern aerodynamics. Up front, you'll see an aggressive twin LED headlight setup, sharp fairings, and a sculpted fuel tank. Honda has worked hard to maintain the lightweight DNA of the original Fireblade, blending aluminum and carbon fiber components for a sleek yet sturdy frame. The tail section is razor-sharp, with integrated LED signals and a minimalistic exhaust that screams performance. Engine and performance, a new powerhouse. Under the fairing lies an all-new 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine tuned for both torque and top-end rush. Honda claims the 2026 CBR 900RR can produce over 190 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful in its class while still maintaining the responsive throttle feel riders loved in the original. A redesigned air intake system, titanium valves, and a slipper clutch deliver thrilling acceleration and seamless downshifts. Top speed? Rumored to be well above 300 km per hour, 186 miles per hour. Chassis and suspension, precision handling. The new CBR 900RR rides on an advanced aluminum twin-spar frame paired with big piston forks at the front and a ProLink rear monoshock with electronic damping control. The wheelbase has been optimized for razor-sharp handling without sacrificing stability at high speeds. Lightweight 17-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in sticky sport tires complete the package. Honda's focus here is on precision, agility, and rider confidence. Technology and rider aids, next-level control. Honda has equipped the 2026 CBR 900RR with a full suite of electronic rider aids. This includes multi-level traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, launch control, and even a customizable riding mode system. A full-color 7-inch TFT display offers Bluetooth connectivity, navigation support, and live telemetry data. Honda's new AI-assisted ride-by-wire system adapts throttle response based on riding conditions, making it as smart as it is fast. Braking power, total stopping confidence. Stopping power is just as important as acceleration. The bike features dual 330mm Brembo Stylema front discs with radial mount calipers and a 250mm rear disc. The linked braking system works seamlessly with the cornering ABS to provide confident braking in all conditions, whether on a twisty mountain road or a race circuit. Variants and colors, a style for every rider. Honda plans to offer the 2026 CBR 900RR in multiple color options, including a classic red and blue racing livery, a stealth matte black, and a limited edition anniversary edition with gold accents paying homage to the original Fireblade. Each model will also feature optional performance packages such as track-ready tires, carbon winglets, and lightweight exhaust upgrades. Price and availability, when you can get it. The 2026 Honda CBR 900RR is expected to hit dealerships worldwide in mid-2026. Pricing is rumored to start around $16,999 US, with the higher performance variants reaching up to $20,000 US.